All right, let's install it. This is about as easy as it gets. Okay, let's go ahead and install the Riva SCOM. I'm going to locate the diagnostic port right here that's attached to the coolant tank. I'm going to push down the tab. I'm going to pull the connector out. I'm going to take the SCOM module here and we're going to plug this in, matching up the tabs. Okay, plugged it in, the green light came on. If the green light doesn't come on, you need to plug your key in, hit the start button, which will wake up the system, which should turn on this green light. Next, you want to put it into pairing mode. Hold the button down. Now we're in pairing mode. Then you can pair it with your phone, with the Maptuner app, and make sure you go into the settings and toggle on the SCOM because it doesn't always turn on by itself. You have to go in there and actually toggle it on. But once this is installed like this, the machine should start up in sport mode and have the speed limiter removed every time you start it up. We'll just leave it connected. Next, we're going to put on the dust boot, moisture boot, cover it up, and then we're going to zip tie it down to the wiring here to stop it from flopping around at all. That's about it. And this light being on shouldn't kill the battery. It's such a small draw that it shouldn't kill anything. But let's go ahead and zip tie this. So out of the way a little bit. That's it. Out of the way. And done. That is the installation of the Riva Maptuner SCOM.